one too. So this is a 4-year extended warranty. So 2026 St. Barbie show. This is like a kind of cool one. I think this is the way you pull it. So you can kind of, that's your bed right over here, I guess. So you probably put your mattress across here, I guess. I like that very first one I saw. So very small kitchen. There's no shower, no shower. You can grill out here. So this is kind of a getaway, I guess. I don't know. I like that first one I saw. So I don't know. Nothing special. 2026. So I don't know. We'll see. Kind of all you need is a miracle. That's right. This one is 35,000. Some of these are not bad. There's your bed. I mean, there's your sit and relax and probably watch TV somewhere. TV's right there, so you're gonna sit right here. You got your kitchen. You got your bathroom. Not bad. Not bad. So we'll go with this next one. I like this one over here. It's got the grill out there. So, hang on here. These series aren't gonna have any thumbnails. I don't waste my time with those.
We like these sometimes.
These are kind of a cool grill. Comes out. That one was 35. This one is 38. The Rockwood. More of a for the kids, I guess. If you want, I guess. I don't. Kind of a strange sleeping arrangement. I don't know if this, to me now, I don't like this one at all. The way it's laid out. Because I don't know if that's the bed or not, but probably is. Yeah, probably a Murphy bed. Probably comes down, so I guess. But that Murphy bed comes down fine, but that's my storage area. I don't need that. You take that away. Not always good suffering on that behavior. There we go. There's another one here. In the redwood. This one is 41,000. See, the first day for the show, it's not too bad, Rock. So this one is 40,000. Well, that's a nice big bed. That's nice. Not too bad of a big bed. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. This is 30,000. Some big ass wheels there. Let's see. Nice little TV. Kind of like this layout. By the bathroom, I think. Yep. Getting there. Nice size. Storage up there. You can sit down here and watch TV. Perfect. Nice little stove. I like these. Last year the colors were ugly as hell. So, solid wood cabinet. So, yeah. Let's head on the next one, shall we? You can buy new. Just make sure you get an inspection. Oh, there's to it. Oh God, here's a big one right here. This Rockwood.
This is not a.
One's huge. This one's huge. Good old fifth wheels now. What do you think of that one?
Pretty nice.
Is it pretty nice, the old fifth wheel? Oh, goodness. This one is 65,000. See, I don't like these stairs. Gotta go up here. Your kitchen up here, I get it. I don't know, this is something you're gonna sit someplace for 6 months at a time. But those stairs, big TV, you get this thing inspected before it goes anywhere. But just give me an easy a pole, and I'm fine. Way I look at it. So that's one over here. It's almost under 50 grand, but someone's in there, so I don't need to go in there, but you get the idea what you're looking at. Hilltop's pretty big. Let's go on over here. $39, another Rockwood here. This is a little under 40. What do you guys think, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad?
Not bad.
It's a nice big bed. That's huge. It's nice. I like it. Not bad at all. Sit down here. Perfect. Not too bad at all. Get in the morning. Nice big shower. Open header. Over here. TV's up here. I like this layout. It's not bad. I like it. It's actually a good layout. Refrigerator right here. Not bad. So. Oh, who's on over here? These are the ones they throw on the back of a truck. I get it. Sleep up in there. This is a hunting one, kind of. So yeah, I think this might be the shitter. I think. Yeah, that's the shitter. It's not bad. 35,000. Took camper off-road. I don't know about that, man. I get it. You can get a better deal on a pole. So, I get it. But, stepping down, that hurts. So there's another one. They're looking at that one. A couple of these ones. 28,000 for this one. Oh, Jesus. Same thing. I'm not going to get in there. No way. Who's up here? Not bad. Kind of go through here. The bathroom. You can shower in the shower. On the bed, not bad. Huh. Not too bad. Nice layout. I don't think Scamp is here. 47,000 for that bad boy. God, look at this thing. Oh my goodness. That's small. No, thank you. Big fat boy like me? No. Not bad. No way. All right. They got all kinds of trailers. That's a $19,000 one right there. Fleetwood, Class C. Not bad for Class C. I'm gonna kind of drive my car, pull my house. Boy said that, so that's the way I look at it. So. Oh, here's a bigger one. It looks like. Oh, this one's a little bigger one. Showers right there. Not bad. This one's a little bigger. This one's not bad. Goodness. Now you put this on a big truck. I can see this one. I get it. But more room to move in this one. But not bad. Got the shower right over here. What I mean, the header and the shower. So it goes both ways. Not bad at all. Oh my goodness. Trying to get down here. $53,000. See. Well, interesting to say the least. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Put that on your truck and where you go. I guess. I mean, that wouldn't be too bad. I get it. Let's go look at Alliance. I don't know what they have here, but Hilltop's pretty well known. Got the grill right here. Kind of a nice little, I like it. So not bad. Not bad. A lot more room in here.
How's it going today, guys?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty good, huh? Not bad?
Not bad.
Yeah. All right.
I can help you.
No, I'm good. All right. Let's go see real quick. I like the, you don't have that ugly brown they had last year.
You know, Phil.
Not bad. That's back in there, but anyways, that's round two for you guys, okay?